Today, I'm going to show you how to show or hide the ruler in Microsoft Word in just a few seconds. This is a simple but very useful setting, especially if you want better control over margins, indents, and layout while working on a document. Whether you're formatting a report, writing an essay, or just trying to make your page look cleaner, the ruler can help a lot. And if you ever want more screen space, you can hide it just as easily. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Microsoft Word tips. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your Microsoft Word document. You can use any document for this, whether it's a blank page or an existing file you're editing. Once Word is open, look at the top of the screen and click the View tab. The View tab is where Microsoft Word keeps display options, including tools that help you customize what you see on the screen. After you click View, look for the Ruler option in the ribbon. You'll usually see it as a checkbox. If the box is unchecked, that means the ruler is hidden. To show the ruler, simply click the checkbox so it becomes selected. As soon as you do that, the ruler should appear across the top of your document, and depending on your layout, you may also see the vertical ruler on the side. Now, if you want to hide the ruler again, just go back to the same View tab and click the ruler checkbox once more to uncheck it. The ruler will disappear immediately, giving you a cleaner workspace and a little more room on the page. That's all there is to it. The setting works as a quick toggle, so you can turn the ruler on whenever you need it and off whenever you don't. This is especially helpful if you're adjusting formatting, because the ruler makes it easier to see and control paragraph indents and tab stops. On the other hand, if you're focused on reading or drafting and don't need those guides visible, hiding the ruler can make the document feel less cluttered. It's a small feature, but it can make a big difference in your workflow. So to recap, open your document, go to the View tab, and check the ruler box to show it. If you want to hide it, uncheck the same box. That's the fastest way to switch the ruler on or off in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy Word tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.